everybody, so welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful because I know I am, and I hope you guys are too. If you're not, well, I hope I can turn your frown upside down because that makes it a smile. A little too much? Sorry. So anywho, today I filmed this look today. It's a very much elegant-y kind of look. I love it because it's very, very romantic looking, you know, just a really soft kind of look because I know Valentine's Day is coming up and I wanted to do a really quick look for all my hardworking women out there, and you guys are just thinking, what can I do for Valentine's Day? This looks like a really you know, I can just do this. It's a simple neutral look, but I added a little pop and neutral nice cream shadows to kind of fasten up the look, and it looks so good. I'm just loving it right here. And I put a little pop of color right here and on the lash line too. You can't really tell because the lights are just so blinding, but let's get started into the look. So first off, I started off by moisturizing my face with a little bit of Origins Ginseng Moisturizer and a little bit of Blistex Lip Balm on my lips because I want really well moisturized lips and face, and you know what I mean. Who doesn't? Because honestly, at work, whenever I get clients who come in, they always have these like dry patches on their face, and like when you put your foundation on, you tend to get those flakes and, you know, those dry feeling on your face, and it's just, your foundation will not work well with that. So do hydrate your skin. After that, I kind of let that sit in, and I like to go and start onto my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I wanted to start it off by applying just a bit of eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer here, and I'm using an eyeshadow primer because my eyelids are actually oily, so that's the reason why I'm using that. And then on top of that, I'm just using a little bit of Strobe of Light from Bare Minerals concealer just right on top of my eyes, just to kind of give it a clean blank canvas. After that, I'm going to be applying a bit of this cream eyeshadow. Let me kind of do a close-up of the cream eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can really tell that cream eyeshadow that I used, but I used this orangey creamy color right here. Right, that one right there. It's kind of like orangey creamy colored. It's a really nice color. It's that I use as a base color for this look, so that's what I applied right here on the base main eyelid area. I just patted that in there. After that, I kind of used this brown color right here. I'm just going to bring it in just a little bit. Can you see that? That one right there. And I just applied that right onto the outer corners of my eyes because I wanted to kind of deepen out the sockets of the crease area just a little bit to kind of create that kind of like ooh elegance, kind of like lazy eye look for my look. Now every eye shape is different, so make sure that you coordinate this look according to your eye shape. I then got this deeper, darker color. Here's a deeper, darker chocolate color right here. So that right there, and I just applied it right into the crease area because I really wanted to deepen out the socket, but not just too much, but create like a little bit of intensity in that area. I then used a bit of eyeshadows from this palette right here, and I just used this eyeshadow right here, right onto the outer corners of my eyes. It looks kind of like that. I know the lighting in here is kind of like, but I'm trying to work with it, but I used that one right there, right onto the outer corners of my eyes. It kind of looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I just use that on the outer corners of my eyes. And then on top of that, I just used a bit of this eyeshadow right here, right onto the outer corners of my eyes. So it's just a little deeper color. So it's like Teddy Bear from MAC. I believe it's MAC, or is it Marlena's line? One of them has a color called Teddy Bear. And then you can use that on the outer corners of your eyes. And you'll see in this whole video, I only use my fingers. I didn't use any brushes to blend out the eyeshadows, and they blended out quite well, I should say so myself. Now, for the inner corner and for the bottom lashes, let me just tell you a little bit of my cream eyeshadows I used today for those colors. I wanted a little bit of pop because, again, Valentine's Day, romantic-y, kind of want to influence those colors right into my look, but not too much. This is like a little bit more for the woman who's just like, wants to get into the pop of color, but is getting introduced into it, so this is a really great way to get introduced into the pop of colors. So I'm using this light pink color right here, and I applied that right into the inner corner of my eyes. And then on the bottom lash line, just to kind of create a little bit of I just applied that little purple color right there, and it looks so gorgeous. Let you guys look at this. You guys can't really see it, but let me kind of like, you guys can see it right there. You see right there, kind of right there. Let me kind of do that maybe. Woo. And then the light pink color, let me show you that color right here. It's like a pastel-y pink color. It's so pretty to the inner corner of the eyes. Kind of brings kind of like some iridescence to the eye. And it's very a romantic look. It really brings in kind of like the lazy eye, romantic-y kind of look. Now for the brows, I just, you know, did a little bit of the NYX brow pencil. The micro, this thingy right here, micro brow pencil. I just used that right onto the brows. And as for my face and highlight, you may be asking, what did I use? I used this foundation that I do not like, so I'll be not mentioning it because I don't even know the name of it. It's a sample and I just don't like the sample right now. And I use the Strobe of Light from Bare Minerals in the number 3, I believe it's the number 3. And then I used a little bit of my Victoria's Secret's highlighter pen, sorry. It's like the dupe for the YSL highlighter Touche Plex pencil thingy-mabob, brush thingy-mabob. And then as for my face primer, I used a NYC face primer that has pearlescence, so it's like a little bit more of a highlighty kind of look. And then I also used a highlighter from Victoria's Secret. And then as far as my face powder, I just use a little bit of Bare Minerals. And for my lips, I use this wonderful, wonderful lip color from Revlon that I rediscovered in my pile, and it's called, it's the Pearl Finish 475 Icy Violet. I just love it. It's so pretty. Like, look at this. I love it. And I'm just loving this look, you guys. I really am. I think it's so romantic and just so beautiful. I really do. And I think it's a really wonderful date night kind of look. And it is superbly giving you some vibes. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine's, I am your Valentine's then, hon. It's just me and you then, because me and you are single like is, and it is all okay, because love yourself first. Anywho, have a wonderful day, you guys. Goodbye, au revoir.